Hi guys, welcome to 3-Minute Review. Today I will be reviewing a purchase I made from Amazon. It's called the Fluffy White Rug from St. Bridge. So I bought the 5 by 8 feet size for about $51.99, and as I was looking for rugs, I realized how expensive rugs were. But this seemed really reasonably priced, so I decided to give this rug a try. The rug is made of high-quality microfiber fabric and velvet surface. After using this for a couple of months, the rug does not shed at all and is fluffy due to the sponge interlayer. This color is a clean, crisp white, and of course, because it is white, when stuff gets on it, it is easier to see. But just by using my vacuum, I am able to get all the debris out. On the Amazon details, it does also say that since this is a very soft rug, to just hand wash it. I personally think as long as no one is walking on top of the rug with their outdoor shoes, it shouldn't be a problem. We also have wooden floors, so this is great since it does have a non-slip bottom but still keeps our house looking cozy and feet warm. Overall, although I was really skeptical about investing in a white rug, I'm actually really happy with this purchase. I would highly recommend it because this is a great quality for such a low price. If I ever do need another rug, I will definitely be purchasing this one. If you guys are interested in the product, I have linked it down in my description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and comment if you want me to review anything else.